Hi everyone, my name is Rishabh Puri and I am from Group 3 and today I am here to present the product demonstration for the subject ITEC 7415 MTech project and my team members are Suma Rani, Syed Hassan Ali, Rishabh Puri and Harmeet Singh. Our course coordinator is Taiwo Oshani, our head project supervisor is Christian Cope and the project supervisor is Mustafa Hashmi. Let's start with the introduction. So fintech is basically concerned with introducing new technologies and making some revolutions in the financial services assistance market. Our client Daniel Dumble is working since 2011 in the financial services market and operating an existing firm named RT Finance for almost 10 years. But the need of the time has evolved the technology assisted financial services. People these days prefer to access anything on the internet instead of visiting physically anywhere for any service. Moreover, the complexity of the manual system and waiting time has also threatens the successfulness of the business. Therefore, our client has planned to develop a web-based platform to facilitate the customers or businesses to apply for financial assistance through the platform to financial lenders. The whole process will be done online. There will be no waiting time for the users, as well as the simplicity of the system will serve the main purpose of our client. So, to make the project problem in the context of our project, I have done some research on the current and historical scenario of fintech services in Australia. So, what I found is that in an official release of CPA Australia, it was declared that Australian fintech industry is suffering from some pain points, which includes fintech provider banks are charging high banking fees, that is 48%, and the manual service of these institutions is very slow, that is 35%. Moreover, data privacy concerns cover 48%, as well as the lack of reliability and trust covers 48%. To overcome such issues, our client has decided to create a web-based platform for the business owners to apply for the loan properly online. So that's what which is our project is related to. The name of our project is Dealboard, which will be a properly web-based platform for the loan application for the business users. So if we talk about background to project problem, specifically to our own project named Dealboard, our client has been working in financial services industry for almost 10 years since 2011 and he has been providing financial assistance services to a number of business users for a long period of time, but these services are actually manual. So there are a longer waiting time for the business owners or business users, and actually the web-based platform is not there. So it's very hard for the business owners to apply for loans easily and quickly. We have created some user stories on the behalf of information provided to us by our client. First one is, as a business owner or director, I can apply for loan or commercial land via using an online platform to save my time and get best deals. So the acceptance criteria should be that Dilbert should be an online platform. It must ensure time saving for the user. It should provide the best suited deals. The second one is, as a business owner or director, I can sign up on Dealboard and make my profile as a user. So the acceptance criteria should be join button should be there. If the user is already registered, login button should be there. There should be a number of credentials required to make the user profile. Let's continue with the user stories. The third one is, as a business owner, director, or staff member, I can make the legal business profile to apply for a loan on the behalf of business. The acceptance criteria should be authorized personnel can log in on the website to create company's profile. Columns like ABN, legal name, established date, number of employees, office address from database, registered office, and mailing address should be there. Fourth one is, as a banker or a financial institution, I can view the borrower profiles via emails. Acceptance criteria should be, whenever a borrower prioritizes a lender bank after making business profile, the bank should get a notification via email to see the profile and the loan documents of the borrower. The last one is, as a system administrator at the deal board, I want to maintain the system and incur some modifications as required. So acceptance criteria should be, regular analysis of the system, and regular maintenance of the system. Now, my team member Sumarani will present the next some slides.
Hello everyone, I am Suman. Thanks Rishabh. So I will continue with the literature review. So the literature review for project is that the fintech company which is introducing financial services to the user because it was manual before. So our company is working in the financial services from 10 years and because they were providing manual services. So our client they requested us to move their business to the online platform because it was no web-based platform before. So the background of our project represent the relevant literature, evaluate detects the problem of the relevant literature. So it basically highlight how the knowledge can be used in the beneficial so that the particular field of research can be solved. So the problem statement of our project is that it represents the issues which needs to be resolved and mostly our project was a manual before, so it basically main focus on the best solutions which needs to be solved. So so our project is about like introducing the new technology in the business sector so that they can make the resolution in the financial services. So it so now so the possible solution for our project is that like we can introduce the new technology in the financial services so the client can take the services into the from the manual to online platform. So now I will start with the now I will start with the methodologies which we have adopted. So basically in the agile there are two main methodologies which can be used for the project. So the first one was the waterfall methodology and the second one is the agile methodology. So now we'll firstly talk about the waterfall methodology. The first process because the waterfall methodology was the first process in the IT services. It is also known as a linear sequential model as well. So the steps and use of the methodology is very simple and easy, but their main focus was on the documentation rather than delivering the project, and there was no communication between the client and the developer during the development phase. So which is the main disadvantage of this methodology. So which we have used for our project is the agile methodology. So the agile methodology has focus on delivering the projects rather than the documentation. So this is the technologies which we have used for our project. So the main focus is that the communication between the client and the developer is a main part of this technology because it has a communication between from the starting to end point of the project. So also I will talk about the technologies which we have used for our project is that so we have used the PHP, Laravel, Bootstrap, jQuery, CSS, and the JavaScript. So we have also used the Figma software for our project because our client he has just provided us some rough sketches and we have created the wireframe. The wireframes are the like the raw data which will explain how our web pages will look like after that development. So the Figma software which we have used for our project because it is very easy to use and we have just created the account because we are students, so we have just make the free account in Figma and we have used the Figma software. So the wireframe is the like the blueprint which our web pages will look like. So the wireframe can be shown in our 5 pictures because we have created the 5 screens for our project. So if I will talk about the programming language, so why we have used the programming language in our project is that the programming language are open source because it is open source, so it can be used to develop the project and do not have to buy any license for them because it is free to use. So it also requires good programming skills to implement the feature. That's it, and we can learn from the Google Scholar, from the L3 schools as well. So the propriety of the language is that like it provides a comfortable environment to use such as tools and the development phase. So it also enables the developer to create and user friendly projects. So So these are the technologies which we have used. So in the conclusion, so we have used these technologies, we have used this methodology, so which are used for our project. And these technology were very easy to use. And we were facing difficulty in the beginning, but after that we have learned lots of things, and we have made this in our project. So thank you all. So this is all from my side. So now my friend, he will now continue.
Hello everyone, my name is Syed Hassan Ali and today I'm going to discuss about our project demonstration. Let's start with the description of project. As you can see in the screen, our project was related web page. We developed the website for our client in which we use several languages like PHP, HTML. We applied Bootstrap, CSS, jQuery, JavaScript. It was structured query language has been found used for the saving data across the web pages, and we just did the relevant research about the project, like how we would make our website. So we did the research as well. Now moving towards the next slide, which is about wireframe of the project. We firstly, in when we started our project, we make some wireframes as per the client's requirements, as he just gave us the roughly sketches. So we just converted that sketches into the wireframes. So as you can see in the screen, this is the login page wireframe. This is the sign up wireframe, create borrower profile page, option page, deal page. And now after completing the wireframes, we just started to convert that wireframes into our product. So a demonstration of working product. Now we have got an idea from the wireframes, like we just had the idea how we would make our website and how our website would be look like. So it would have easy after making the wireframes. And I can show you the product, our product, how it is working. So this is our login page. As you can see in the screen, firstly we need to make an account. Like I have just make an account on my name, Syed Hasan Ali, and I just set the password as well, and I just log in. There's a reset password link as well. If you forget the password, you can reset your password. One particular code will be sent to you, and you can reset your password easily. So this is the options page. Like it is the first page of our project. It has a few options. Like first page is option page, which is showing here. Create borrower profile page. Afterwards, this is the deal page, and this is the logout button. So I can show you how we can use the options page. There are two options. This is it will If we will click on this button, the uh, uh, deal page will be open, and when we click on this button, the create borrower profile will open. So now you can make the uh, borrower profile here. Like if you want to save anything, you can say enter the data as per 29th April 2022 2022 or 21. Trading number is test. Number of apply, let's suppose 20. Official address is X. So whatever the address, we can add the address. Street 64 well, street, same as mailing address. It copies itself. Director is Daniel. So this is the data. So after click on the create button, you can see borrower profile has been created. So let me show you the yeah, now the final stage is to uh, enter the data which the user required. So like we just made this borrower profile. This is the borrower profile. Then afterwards need to enter the loan or something. 30 team loan purpose XYZ. Oh, XYZ. Yeah. 38 first 2021 और इसको आप कर सकते हैं 9 ठीक है afterwards it's a business street property type residential PPR option 1 and it's 31 2 3 4 5 total will be this note is testing and we can create the deal. Well, I didn't add the LVR. I just, for example, I just entered this. As you can see, form has been submitted and email will be sent to my email address. If you here you can see the mail has been sent. So you will receive the mail like this. The deal page, Laravel, mail from the deal board, loan apply. I just applied 30 lakhs. And then afterwards you can log out the screen. Thank you so much. This is all from my side.
Thank you, Sahil. Hello everyone, my name is Harmeet Singh and my student ID is 3037453. Now I am proceeding our further presentation. The main persons who use this product, the first one is the client himself will use the product to provide financial assistance services, and the second is the business owners and their staff who seeking commercial loans, and third one is the banks and financial institutions for providing finance to their applicants. These are the main persons who use this product, and after that there is the usefulness. This is a web-based platform, and every person who use this have to create individual profile. They also create business profile who provide their loan. After that they have to apply for loan application. They fill all the details about the applications, and after and the final deal where when the application is submitted, then the borrower tell about the loan is approved or not. And after that there is a product testing and evaluation. There are several acceptance criteria for the project. The first one is ability to access the system on localhost. The whole project is working on localhost, and I am also check the localhost side show you the it's working on the localhost. And second is the ability to sign up the system. In this, every button, every checkbox is working, and next is ability to log in on login phase. When we click on when we fill the Gmail password, then we click on the sign in button, then it will go on the next page, create profile. It is working, and ability to reset the password. When we click on the reset the password button, then it will go on the other page, and where we put the Gmail address. Then when we put the Gmail address and click on the button, then it will send a temporary password to our Gmail. Then we will able to log in the our profile by using the temporary password and change the password. After that, it is ability to create new borrower profile. Then when we log in the website, then we go on the create new borrower profile, where we create the borrower profile, fill all the details regarding a borrower. After that, the ability to add more users and apply new loan. Then when we create the borrower profile, then we have a ability to create uh, new members. We will use or and after and apply new loan. In applying new loan, there is a deal page where we fill all the information regarding our loan application, security offer, and loan details, everything. These all are working and pass all the acceptance criteria. Moreover, satisfaction of user stories, and there are 5 elements which satisfy the user stories. The first one is the online platform where anyone can apply for commercial loan, and after that there is sign up or individual profile. Who person who is new on the website has to create their individual profile. After that, there is a creation of a profile in the name of business. We have to create a business profile by adding by their ABN number, their address, employees, and establishment date. And after that, there is financial institutions will able to see customer profile. And the last one is that the client will get the final product so that the regulation maintenance can be carried on. And after this, these are the references we use as the resources to make our project and write up. Thank you.